Hi guys, this is Colin from Camptown again, back with our Nature 101s, talking about plants again. So when we talk about plants, there's two kinds that we can find. There are the native plants, which are plants that are found commonly in Indiana, but then there's also invasive plants, like this plant right here beside me. This plant is the myrrh honeysuckle. Invasive species like this myrrh honeysuckle are not from Indiana. They were actually brought here at some point and planted. When they were planted, they started to grow and outgrow every native plant that is under it, causing the area under it to become bare. Just like right here. When this happens, these invasive species will just keep growing to the point that there is no more of our native plants like the wild ginger. Also with the myrrh honeysuckle, it grows a red berry. That berry can actually make you very sick because it is very poisonous. In the activity below, I want you to go out and find and identify different invasive and native plants that are around us. Once you find them, link them to what causes them to be invasive and why they're native. Thanks.